So I got a little situation with this 95 F-150. My heat is not working. Cut it on, put it on high. It's a little warm, but not very much. Now the other day, this thing here got stoved up, so I kind of, forced it a little bit, and I heard a pop. So I'm gonna be taking this off and showing you guys what I think it is. So after you remove this piece of trim here from the dash, there's going to be 2 screws right here and right here. You want to take those out. Alrighty, get your trim removal piece and pry it off. That's what it looks like, and then that's what it looks like right there. You've got 4 more screws, 2 here and then 2 here. This component here will just slide right out, and you've got a clip here, and a clip there. You want to unplug those. Alrighty, it was what I thought it was. This component here will sometimes strip out. Now, it's not stripped out, but it jumped. So we're going to reset it and put it back in here. If I can turn that around, I'll show you those. And sometimes that'll strip out there. Now, if it does, you can get it at your local O'Reilly's. It's probably $15, and that'll save you a whole bunch of trouble. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like. I will CC you later.